Hello everybody, welcome to Yuma, Arizona. Now, this is another quick show of Arizona towns brought to you by AB Roadrunners. This is the main road, goes to Yuma to Kingman or Quartzside. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Dirty South Barbecue, Yuma, Arizona. They're doing their own barbecuing and stuff outside. There's the grills for you. They got all kinds of barbecue, pulled pork, try something. I mean, all types of barbecue, chicken and everything. They got a little museum, as you can see. This family owned and operated. There you go. That's the name of the place. It's looked like a little hole-in-the-wall place, but it's right off the main road. The only thing I would say, watch out for the driveway when you come in here. This is another building here that they got. They got antiques. It's closed right now. They got things going on during the weekend, and during the week they got parties and stuff. And here's some of the stuff that we're going to be showing you here. They got antiques all over the place. Now there's stuff that you can buy too. So I don't know what the prices are. You're going to have to ask them and look at it. There's a little museum. There's some information, days open, phone numbers, what they got. See, that's what some of the stuff they got. They got a better menu inside that I want to show you. I'm going to take you down to the courtyard. I guess they have live bands here. They got dances. There's a store here and a hobby. We're heading to the Western Drug Store.
They have RV parking. You can get in and out.
Hello everybody. Welcome to Springerville. This is Western Drug Store. Now you're going to find out what a really drugstore and regular, like the old days used to be. So they sell a little bit of everything in here. Guns, ammo, knives, blankets, materials. That's a true general store in Springerville, Arizona. And over there's the hospital. So let's hold on for a minute and we'll go inside and we'll shoot some videos. They even got all kinds of medicines and everything. Okay, this is the pharmacy section here. Got vitamins, minerals, and everything else with it. I even got jewelry. And this is stuff from the trophies and stuff that they had. People got. There you go. They even got the people's names on them. They shot them. There you go. Okay, let's see. I got, look at all this. Healthcare service or pharmacy. Okay. Oh, I'm getting people all over the place. There we go. There's a gun shop. There's more of the trophies. Everything you need. Hunting, fishing, regular living, medicine, all down here. Here's the regular green store here. Gun store, and let me show you all them trophies up there. Over there looking at the fabrics. Just doing some alteration on the RV. And if you happen to need assistance, there's a table. They'll cut it to you and do whatever they need have to do. There's a nice little mirror up there. See if I can get back. Everything's for everybody, even the craft shops. Okay, that's for the ladies section. You need threads, needles, things for your sewing machine. Like I said, people, this is a real drugstore. Or general store. Well, it's a drugstore, general store. That's how it used to be back in the old western days. And if you like to do some knitting and crocheting, there's all kinds of yarns. And we're moving back there. Here's some more stuff for ladies. I have no idea what they are. She's over there doing whatever she's doing. And I'm doing this. There's some more. There's some flowers for your cats. Coolers. I mean, they got boots and they got clothes and everything. This is paper crafts. They got kid stuff. See, there's all kinds of hats over there too. They got leather stuff for the men who can do work. All kinds of woodcraft and stuff. There's some more stuff here, and got kitty boots. Boy, they've been selling stuff out like crazy here too. Last time we were here, that our video, our thing went bad. Our card got filled up, and I don't know how in the heck, but that were more packed than this. There's some old cowboy hats there. And if you want everything, the whole cooking pots and pans, right there. Cabinets, or clothes and jackets. Gloves for the kiddos. Jeans. This is a miniature Wally's World and more. There you go, we've got even some for the little girls in town. When Grandpa and Grandpa takes camping. So there we go. Cans, hoses, there's charcoal small grills. Photo books and everything, and cashier. They even got liquor. For you people like to have a few cold ones, we got that here. Let's go back there and we'll show you the cold ones. There's the liquor cabinet. So way back there, some people, so I can go back there and visit. Oh, number liquor. Okay, that's it, folks. Thank you for visiting us again, and we'll see you down the road. I hope you can hear me because everybody keeps looking when I'm talking, even the slow voice. Have a goodbye, and we'll see you down the road. AB Roadrunners signing off. Bye, y'all. Hi y'all, we're at Uranus Chocolate Factory. It's one of the best chocolate factories around. Good fudge. I mean, you'll really love it here. It's got the things for the kids. Sorry about taking so long, but I've been having a little bit of trouble on the road here, and I'm kind of frustrated, so we took a break here. I'll tell you about it more. This is the whole place here. It's not too pricey, but they got great fudge. They got entertainment for the kids. They got stuff for the adults. They got bars, restaurants, chicken place, and it's right by Rolla, Missouri, or Rolling, Missouri. But that's the area up there where it says. I'm getting kind of reflection on, so I can't see what I'm doing. And it's kind of funny. And there's some more attraction. Got dinosaurs. There's all kinds of people. A few RVs. So I better let you all go, and as soon as I get done, I'll post another video when I'll